Hi everyone, welcome to Tidbit Tuesday. Coming to you today from our back lot, we wanted to highlight two services many people don't know that we offer: an RV dump station and a propane filling station. Currently we are out at our dump station. It's accessible during our business hours, easy to find. Just locate these two red posts I'm currently standing by. Contact us for full details on this service or stop in and see us and ask about it. Now let's take a walk down to our propane filling station. Here we are at our propane filling station. Our propane filling station is a no purge, scale-based refill spot. We have a 2-gallon minimum and we don't just service your camper. We will do any 20-pound or greater tank. That means your grill tanks, space heating tanks, or any other propane tank that you might have. When coming to use our refill station, please stop at our gate, go into our front desk and let our staff know you're here. They will call a technician out to assist you. Our technician will inspect your tank for safety and for an expiration date. If your tank can be filled, we'll fill it for you. Thanks for checking in. Hope to see you soon. Happy camping.